Greetings there, prop fans. It's Tony here from Caveman Pops, and I'm here today with an unboxing. And I'm pretty sure I think you can guess what it is, because by the name on the box, I know exactly what it was when it turned up. Yes, I've just received my new sonic screwdriver, so we're going to have a look at that. Now, I've got the camera up here so you can see from above, but we're going to see what it opens up. Obviously I've removed the label with my address on it, so none of you know where I live. Let's see if we can get this box open up. This one's not particularly the important bit, it's what's inside this one. See if I can get it out. There we go. So they're obviously the 15th Doctor screwdriver. Obviously very different to the ones we've had before. I'm still sort of on the fence a little bit about it, but I still wanted to get this one and give it a go because it's still a prop, it's still something I enjoy. So we're going to get into this and see what's happening. Might take me a little bit of time just to get into the box. It's taped on the back. Right, so there we are. Let's move that over there with the cable. So I've managed to get out the box. It looks quite nice. It fits quite nicely in the hand. I can see. See, that's quite good. So the buttons. Oh, there we are. Looks quite good. So that's the release for that one. Obviously I've got to work my way around what some of the buttons do. So obviously it folds up like that, so it can be a smaller. Ooh. There's obviously all different sounds there. You've got the little slidey bit that comes out. Oh, it makes a noise when you do that. Ooh. Obviously, this bit that slides out. Can't find anything. I need to go through the instructions is really what I need to actually do. So you've got different settings there. So 2 quick clicks, 3 quick clicks. Oh, there's a. I think that's the same one. So 3 quick. So 1 click, sustained hold. 1 click, click. 2 quick clicks and a hold. And it's the same. That's 2 quick clicks and a hold. Single hold. So turn it round and so you've got single hold, 2 quick clicks and a hold, and then 3 quick clicks. It makes a slightly different sound and bleeps at the end. There we go. So yeah, it's not too bad, especially for a toy. The toy version, I think this is quite good. The quality of it looks quite nice. It's nice and shiny. It'd be interesting to see how long that lasts for continued use. But there we go. So already, yeah, I know a lot of people have said it's basically like a mouse. I do find it a bit harder to hold on to, whether that's just me. obviously, especially when it's like that. That's in the smaller condition. When you bring that out, obviously that lights up as well. I wonder how long that stays on for. But there we go. So there we are. When it's folded up like this, I find it a bit too small. It's a bit more complicated to hold on to for me. So I'm going to probably keep it more like this. Yeah, it's not bad for the toy, and considering compared to what we've seen on screen as well, I think it's pretty fair, accurate. I've seen a lot of other people make some regular replicas. Been quite a few 3D prints of it out there, but obviously I don't really like the finish to it just yet. I think as a resin print that would be a lot better. So this is the one I've been waiting for. So there we are, guys. It was just a quick video, just because I received it today in the post. Wanted to see what it was like. And it fits quite nicely in the hand that way. But yeah, so I'm going to have a play around and see what else it does. But please tell me what you think. Give me your opinions on the new Sonic Screwdriver. It is very different. I know they're going in a completely, I think that's what they wanted, something completely different compared off, but you know, tell me what your thoughts. I mean, I do like the Gallifreyan thing around there, and the fact that it's a saying, quite fitting to him, the sharpest of tongues outwits the sharpest of warriors, or something like that, or the sharper the, I can't remember now, I'm really sorry. It probably says on the box here somewhere, but we'll get there. So yeah, so there we are. So let us know what you think in the comments. Please like, please subscribe, and I will catch all of you guys later.